Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Oppo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you Oppo mobile guys password and biometric setting. And today video title is guys how to remove Oppo mobile face lock. So friends, you don't want to use Oppo mobile face lock, you want to remove Oppo mobile face lock. So friends, now let's see how to remove Oppo mobile face lock. One by one, step by step, we will talk about. You don't want to use face lock setting, you don't want to unlock your Oppo mobile with face lock. So friends, now let's see how to remove Oppo mobile face lock. Unlock your phone. After unlock phone friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. So friends, in your Oppo mobile, open your phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Oppo mobile. So friends, scroll down here, open your phone password and biometric setting. After turn away phone password and biometric setting friends, you can see this type interface in your mobile. Lock screen password, set privacy password and biometric setting friends. You want to add fingerprint lock, so you can add fingerprint lock. So when we will tap here face lock setting, enter your lock screen password and you have pattern lock, so draw pattern. Face lock setting will unlock and you can use face lock setting in Oppo mobile. So friends, if you click here use face for setting, you want to on face lock on your private safe password, you want to unlock with face lock, so you can on. You want to unlock Oppo mobile app lock with face lock, so you can on app lock setting with face lock setting from here. And friends, if you click here your face lock will delete, your face lock will remove in your Oppo mobile, and you can unlock your Oppo mobile without face lock. Friends, if you click here delete, your face lock will remove. So friends, lock your screen. Again, if you on your screen, so friends, you can check face lock will not show on your lock screen. Enter your lock screen password, enter your lock screen pattern password, or draw your pattern password, and you can unlock your Oppo mobile. Again, you want to use face lock setting, you will have to add your face data, then you can unlock your Oppo mobile with face lock. Again, enter your password, show your face data, and you can use Oppo mobile face lock setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you find out to have any problem in Oppo mobile setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye.